Shut your pie holes, meatbags! It's with much hostility and disgust that I address you today. I know that you're harboring the scumdogs that you call GWAR. If you divulge their place of hiding, I might let you live. So tell me now, humans, tell me, where is GWAR? Where are they? What? Oh, are they behind me? They're behind me, right? Yeah? Oh shit, I didn't think this through. Oh crap. Oh no, oh shit.
Fuck you, Starboard Destructor! Bone Snapper! Kill this motherfucker! So you know my son, maybe so you will I. Put me in chaos, I'm conquering pride. Call me what you will, but I call it genocide. Genocide, 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 genocide. Genocide, 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 genocide. You know you're calling for genocide. Genocide, genocide, genocide. You're calling for genocide. Genocide, genocide, genocide. A lot of people that die, genocide. Say you need to do it, but you know that it's a lie. You're the genocide. It's doing wrong. Time after time after time after time. There's a bloody law for you to sign, making butchers out of babies. Do it all the time. Genocide. It's your duty to serve them, and it's your duty to die. It's a war that I know. Everybody only saw training up and back into the war. Genocide, 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 genocide. We know you're calling for genocide. Genocide, genocide, genocide. We know you're waiting for genocide. Genocide, genocide, genocide. You are creating for genocide. Genocide, genocide, genocide. So it goes forevermore. The song is gonna roll. The jingle's on the door. No one's even keeping score. One thing they know, ain't nothing anymore. Genocide. The one you're waiting for. Genocide. It's your duty to serve them, and it's your duty to die. And when they ask you why, tell them that you serve the Holy Cause.